Now we are going to cover aldehyde, that is CHO group. In this case, journal formula is CnH2n plus 1 CHO. So this is the general formula for alkanal. ALKANALS. This is the general formula for alkanal, or you can simply RCHO. This is the general formula where R can be hydrogen and any other alkyl group. If it is having single bond between carbon, then it is alkanal, otherwise actually alkenal or alkynal. Suffix used is al. And formula we have C double bond OH. This is the formula, or simply CHO. Are you back, Navin? Same word root plus position of primary suffix plus name of primary suffix plus position of function group plus AL. Example CA, example H, C double bond OH. In this case, how many carbons are there? One carbon. The word root is mid, pane plus AL. So E and A, E is removed, so it will be methanol, METHANAL, methanol. Suppose it is CH3, C double bond OH. Two carbons are there, so it will be ethanol. Now suppose compound is this one. 1, 2, 3 carbons are there. Prop 1, 2, 3. Second carbon is double bond, so prop 2 in al. So prop 2 in al. Prop means word root. Position of double bond is second. Name of this in, and then one is al. Now suppose if it is something like this. So name will be 1, 2, 3. Prop 2 prop 2 YNE, prop 2 inal, prop 2 inal. So this suggesting is the triple bond between carbon and carbon. Okay, clear? Is that clear, Fanu? Any doubt? Got it? Okay. Then we will cover important one is now ester. This is, so first of all we will cover with ether. This is important one, or they are also known as alkoxyalkanes. Alkoxyalkanes. Okay. Journal formula is RO R dash, where R and R dash are same or can be different. If R is equal to R dash, then we call them as a simple ether, and if R is not equal to R dash, then we call them as a mixed ether. Okay. Function group. Function group is single bond O, single bond, and suffix used is alkoxy. ALKOXY. Now IUPAC naming is alkoxy plus alkane. For example, it is CH3O CH3. Then it is known as methoxy ethane. Okay, it is known as methoxy ethane. Got it? Clear? Suppose it is CH3O CH2 CH3. Then it is known as methoxy ethane. One carbon methoxy, one carbon methane, one carbon methoxy, and two carbons are there, then it is ethane. If it is CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3, then two ethyls are there. This one is ethane with ethoxy ethane. Clear? Got it? The smaller part alkyl group forms a part of alkoxy. This alkoxy is smaller and alkene one will be longer carbon chain. Clear? Any doubt? Then this alkene will be the longer one. Okay. Then after this, we have acid chloride. This is RCOCl, or there are C double bond O Cl. Instead of H, they have Cl over it. Fine. Where R is equal to H or any alkyl group. Now see this one. Function group will be equal to Cl. Suffix is known as oil. chloride. IUPAC naming will be equal to alkane plus oil chloride. Okay, E is removed from this one, alkane oil chloride. Suppose this is HC double bond OCl. Only one carbon is there. This is methane plus oil chloride. Now this E is removed, so it will be methanol chloride. Okay, is that clear? Now suppose compound is CH3, CH2, C double bond OCl. Then this compound is 1, 2, 3 carbons are there. Propanol chloride. Now suppose this is CH2 double bond CH double bond OCl. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is prop 2 in oil chloride. Okay, same type of naming will move in this case also. Is that clear? Any doubt up to this point? Got this? मुझे बेटा गाना. Okay. Now next we are going to with acid anhydride. This has also been important and reversed one. Acid anhydride. So general formula is RCO OCOR dash. This is the general formula RCOO COOR dash. Or you can write RCO whole twice O, where R and R dash may or may not be same. If R is equal to R dash, then it is simple anhydride. Otherwise, it is mixed one. Okay, or we call them as symmetrical. Symmetrical anhydride, or this one is known as unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical anhydride. Okay. No, there is nothing you can say problem in writing the symmetrical one, but for unsymmetrical, always used I will write and symmetrical anhydrides are named by writing name of two acid alphabetic order before the word anhydride. Two acid alphabetic order before the word anhydride. Okay. For example, if there is CH3 CO O then COCH3. So the general formula will be CH3CO twice O. So name will be, so both are CH3, two carbons are there. This is ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Fine. Naming will be equal to acid anhydride. Whatever the carboxylic acid plus anhydride. Okay. Now suppose if it is different one, like HCO, OCO, CH3, then this will be, now here we have methanoic acid, here we have ethanoic acid. So E comes first, so it is ethanoic methanoic anhydride. Is that clear? This will become ethanoic methanoic anhydride. Got it? Yes or no? So suppose if Cl CH2 CO whole twice O, this compound name, this is this is chloroethanoic acid. So chloroethanoic. So this chloroethanoic anhydride. Got it? Clear? Is that clear, Vanu? Any doubt? Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ. ठीक है जी. ये बताओ बहुत है आज के लिए, अभी और कंटिन्यू करें? एक और करते हैं अभी एस्टर. अच्छा, ईथर किया था, अभी करते हैं एस्टर. एस्टर जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है इनका RCOO R dash again where R and R dash may or may not equal to may not be equal. Okay. And R can be equal to H and any other alkyl group. So, and R cannot be equal to R dash cannot be equal to H, where R dash is always a alkyl group. Okay, let's see how it is going to form. The function group is C double bond O R dash, and suffix will be alkyl. Okay, and in this suffix, secondary suffix will be, sorry, prefix, secondary prefix is used, alkyl, and this is not suffix. Wait. In this case, suffix used is O8. 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 Now, IUPAC meaning. In this case, what we have to write? In this case, mostly common name and IUPAC image is almost same. So, we have to write alkyl group plus or remove this in alkyl group. You have to write parent acid. Parent acid where IC acid, this thing is removed by word O8. Like this. Suppose this is C double bond OCH3. Now in this case, parent acid is methanoic acid. So this will become methyl methanoic acid. This one is methyl group, and this one is methanoic acid. Clear? Any doubt in this? Now suppose this is OCH2CH3. Now this one is methyl, one carbon is there. Now this two carbons are there. And there is ethanoic acid. Clear? Got it? Sorry. इसमें मिथाइल इथेनॉइक नहीं, इसका नाम होना चाहिए इथाइल मिथेनॉइट. Wait, methyl ethanoic acid नहीं. यहाँ पे चेंज हो जाएगा थोड़ा. This will name will be methyl THONATE. I'm indicating methyl methanoate. METHANOATE, methyl methanol. And in this case, the name will be equal to ethyl. That is also in alphabetic order. It will be ethyl. Ethanoate. Clear? Now suppose this is CH3, C double bond OO, then CH3. Then this will be equal to methyl, and then we have CH3. Two carbons are there, the methyl ethanoate. Here, so in naming things, we have to first write R dash, then R name. Remember that this is a sequence for the naming one. Is that clear? Panu, is that clear, beta? Do I need to repeat again? चलो इसका एक और बताता हूँ. एक और देखो. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. अब यहाँ पे देखो. CH2 दो कार्बन. So this will be equal to ethyl ethanoate. Clear? Okay. So it's easy. Then after this, we have NH2 group, that is amines, AMINES, amines group. Now, general formula is R NH2, where R is equal to alkyl group suffix used is amine. Suffix used is amine. Okay. And function group is NH2. Then IUPAC meaning is again word root plus position of primary suffix plus name of primary suffix plus position of function group plus amine. Okay. Now suppose it is CH3 NH2 methanol methyl amine. The common name is methylamine, but sorry, we write this thing. So it is methane, one column, methane, amine. Again, E is cancelled out, so this is integration methane, mine. So this is synthesis. ethanamine. Clear? Okay. Any doubt in this case? Okay, so I hope that will be sufficient for you for today. तो बस फटाफट रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, शुरू से हमने क्या क्या करा। एल्कोहल हमने किया था कल लास्ट लेक्चर में, एल्कोहल था मोनोहाइड्रिक, डाइहाइड्रिक, पॉलीहाइड्रिक हो सकता है। जनरल फॉर्मूला CnH2n+1 OH। तो OH हमारे इसके अंदर फंक्शनल ग्रुप बनता है, और R क्या हो सकता है, एल्काइल ग्रुप हो सकता है कोई भी। कॉमन नेम था एल्काइल प्लस एल्कोहल, एल्काइल अल्कोहल, और आयुपैक नेमिंग में क्या होगा, वर्ड रूट प्लस प्राइमरी सफिक्स प्लस सेकेंडरी सफिक्स, देन वर्ड रूट प्लस बॉन्डिंग प्लस ओएल। आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं। अगेन ई और ओ जहाँ पे आएंगे ई कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो CH3OH विल बी नोन एज मिथेनॉल। ठीक है। देन अगर 3 कार्बन, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन के लिए 1 2 3, दैट इज प्रोपेनॉल। इन दिस केस 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there and OH is on the second carbon. So this is pent 3-ene 2-ol. Why 3-ene? Because 3 is the position of double bond. So pent 3-ene 2-ol is the name. Okay. Now if there are 2 OH is there, so diol. If 3 are there, so triol. Then we have carboxylic acid. C double bond OH is the functional group. General formula is CnH2n+1 COOH, where one hydrogen is replaced by COOH. This is for the alkanoic acids, means single bond acids are there. Here RCOOH is the formula, and this R can be equal to H or any other alkyl group. Suffix used is oic acid. IUPAC name is word root. Word root, after this word root, then position of bond, and then you have to write oic acid in the last. So HCOOH, only one carbon is there, methanoic acid. CH3COOH, only one carbon is, 2 carbons are there, so this is ethanoic acid. Now another compound, CH3CH double bond CH COOH. In this case, you can see there are 4 carbons, and on second carbon there is a double bond. So we have to write but2-enoic acid. That is what carboxylic acid case. Then ketone, same thing. In this ketone cannot be at one position. It will always be on the any position other than the one. Terminal positions we can't find ketone. So CnH2n plus CO, CnH2n plus 1, where RCOR dash. So it can be RCOR dash. So R and R dash may or may not be same. If R and R dash are same, then simple, otherwise mixed one. And suffix we use is on. Now in this case, what we have to write, and if these are the two not same, so whatever is the smaller one will be written first. No, nothing. Sorry. Nothing is like that. So we have to first of all count the number of carbon 1, 2, and 3. So 3 carbons are there. So it is propane on. So E is replaced. So it is propane on. Then 5 carbons are there. So pent on 3 carbon we have ene. So pent 3-ene 2 on. Then homework you have to write these two. Then we read aldehyde. Aldehyde we have CHO, and the word is used as AL. This is name, same naming is there. Word root plus position plus name of primary suffix, then position of functional group, and we use al. In this case, we have only one carbon atom, so this is methane al. Okay. Next one, 2 carbon atom, so this ethane al. Al is used. Then ether, there is alkoxy alkanes. Function group is O, single bond attached with 2 hydrocarbons. If they are same, it is simple one. If they are not same, it is mixed one. And suffix used is alkoxy. So we use alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy is used for the smaller one, and alkane is used for the longer chain. CH3CO CH3 both are same. So this is methoxymethane. CH3CO CH2 CH3. Now in this case, R and R dash are different. So alkoxy will be the smaller one, that is methoxyethane. CH 3CH2C, this one, it is ethoxyethane. Then acid chloride, it is similar to that of the carboxylic acid. Instead of H, we have Cl there, so it is known as oil chloride. The naming is alkane plus oil chloride. Then we have acid anhydride. In this acid anhydride, general formula is RCO whole twice O. That is RCOO, RC double bond O. This is actually RC double bond O oxygen, and then we have C double bond O R dash. So we have two RC double bond O attached with an oxygen. Therefore, it is RCO whole twice oxygen. Okay. In this case also, R and R dash cannot be same or maybe same. If both are same, it is known as symmetrical anhydride. If both are not same, we call it as a unsymmetrical anhydride. Basically, in case of unsymmetrical anhydride, if we have to name them, then the name of two acids, that is alphabetic order, is preferred for the word anhydride. So we have to find out the parent acid name. Now, if you see this one, HCO, COCH3. Now, in this case, ethanoic and methanoic acid are the parent chain. Ethanoic acid, ethanoic, methanoic anhydride. This is ethanoic and methanoic anhydride. In this case, this is this chloroethanoic anhydride. Got it? Okay. Then we have esters, RC double bond O R dash, where again R and R dash may or may not be equal. And naming will be parent acid, where ic acid is removed by OH. Suppose we have HC double bond O, OCH3, then we use alphabetic order, that is methyl ethanoate. And then if we have CH3, C double bond OCH3, that is methyl ethanoate. How is this methyl ethanoate? So methyl, this is after this one we have CH3, then two carbons are then ethanoate. CH3, C double bond O, OCH2, CH3, that is ethyl ethanoate. Clear? Is that okay? Any doubt in this esters group? Then amine, simple, word root position, the name position we have to use. In this case, function group is NH2, suffixes AMI, NE. I hope that is clear. So just revise it, all these things, और जो homework दिया है उसको कोशिश करो करने की. कुछ compounds में आपको इसके बाद अभी देख लेता हूँ. Fine. Okay जी, that is all for today.